Hello everyone and welcome to Lavender Blue. I'm Fiona. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please hit the like button and leave a comment, as this helps my channel and I love to chat with you all. I would also love it if you would subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. You can also find me on other social media platforms and I would love to connect with you there. My link is always in the description box below. Now, let's get creative. Hey everyone, it's Fiona. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you how to make your own washi tape. So I have a printable here, which will be in my Etsy shop, but also if you're a member of my Facebook group, you will get this as a free printable for today because it's Freebie Friday. Also on my Ko-fi page and on my website. So all the links will be below the video. So now first of all, I have printed this onto tracing paper. Now I've got a video explaining to you how to print onto tracing paper. So if you haven't seen that video, because I won't be demonstrating it on this one, I will link that in the description box so you can go and watch that, and then you can just go and print this out. Now these are all William Morris designs on these ones. So I'm just going to take my tracing paper off of the backing. And in the video I explain how I did this. You may be able to print onto vellum as well using the same method because it's very similar, but I'm not 100% sure about printing on vellum because I haven't tried that, but I'm sure that you can. So this is just stuck onto a piece of paper with some, it's a spray glue adhesive, but it's, oh, what's the word? Not reusable. It's not permanent. So this is why I'm able to peel the paper off. But I'm doing it carefully because I don't want to rip it. There we go. And mine's curled up. That's okay. So once you've printed it out and you've got your strips, all we need to do is to turn it over onto the back, and you need some double-sided tape. So, and you can find this in most art and craft supply stores. Yeah, maybe even in the supermarket, in the office supplies or something like that. So mine is 1/2 inch width, and I have made these 1/2 inch because most of these tapes are around 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch. So if you only have 1/4 inch double-sided tape, you can put 2 strips together. So all you need to do is put your tape on the back. So I'm just moving it so I can see, so I can get it lined up. And stick it down really well. I'll do a few strips. So do the top one, and then do this one. I hope you can see okay. I've got the sun shining in this afternoon. Now this is only the second washi tape printable that I have in my shop. But as I said, this one's free if you're in the Facebook group. But I think I'm going to bring out a lot more because this is just a really good method of, you know, getting some washi tape quickly if you don't have any, or you can't buy the colours that you want or something like that. Whoops, that one I did a little bit short, but that's okay. So and just make sure that it is stuck down really well. And maybe one more. Let's do this nice yellowy orange one here. And then I'll give you an examples of how it looks on a journal page or on some of your ephemera after we've done this. So I'm going to cut out, I mean, you'd probably do the whole lot at once if you were, you know, when you're doing it, and so you can cut them all out. But for the sake of this video, I don't want to cover, you know, the whole lot because it's going to take time. Let's just cut those ones out. And if you try and get the tape as straight as you can just then use the edge of the tape as your guide. So that's now what that one looks like, and I've gone off a little bit over here, so I'll cut off this edge. My tape could possibly be a little bit wider than the strips. That's okay, just a bit of extra cutting. There, so I've got one strip of washi tape there that I can use. Let's do this one. I'm trying to hurry it up, so I might not be cutting very straight. That's a nice one. I like that one. And keeping in mind that it's clear, the tracing paper is clear, so if I do have a bit of an edge on it, excuse me, if I do have a bit of an edge, I'm not too worried about that. Maybe I'll just cut out one more so we're not taking too long. So it's easier to cut, you know, on the back first, following the tape, and then you can turn it over and tidy it up. So that's a really nice one too. I like that one. Okay, so that'll do for now. I've got 3 strips, and now I'll just show you what they're going to look like when you put them down. So I've got an old library card here that I've just tea dyed. So I'll dress it up a bit with a little strip of tape. I think this green one Well, it's got green in it, sorry. Because you've got the green across the top. I mean, it doesn't have to match, but I like it too. And then all you need to do is obviously rip your tape off the back. This is probably the hardest part for me. Ripping my tape off. So then you've got, if you can see it shining, you've got a really good sticky back on your washi tape. It's probably actually more sticky than the washi tape that you buy, because that's not actually very sticky. So I'll show you if I put it, I'll put it across the top here. And there you go. You have your little washi tape pattern. So it works really, really well. What else have I got? Just an old piece of ephemera. This is one of my printables. Let's try down the side here, a nice piece of blue. So this is just a really quick video just to show you how to make your own washi tape and to let you know about the free printable. And there you go. See that? Yep, it's really nice. And I've just brought along an old journal. This journal I have had for years, and I still haven't filled it up. It's just kind of like a sample journal where I put new ideas. So let's use this one somewhere. Maybe I'll put it on the dictionary page. And you can just tear it like your other washi tape. I'll just get that off. And there we go. Some beautiful washi tape decoration. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that idea. And if you haven't already joined my Facebook group, go ahead and download, or on my Ko-fi, or on my website, and it's all linked below. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.